Hi, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Still shooting in JPEG? Here's why RAW files could be your best upgrade you're not yet using. Here's the thing, RAW files don't just record your photo, they preserve all the data from your sensor. Unlike JPEGs, which compress and throw away information, the RAW file gives you full control in editing. Exposure, white balance, shadows, highlights, even mistakes can be rescued, which I know from experience. Have you ever underexposed a photo? A RAW file can bring back details in the shadows without ruining the quality. That flexibility means you're not locked into what your camera decided. You get to finish the photo your way. Shooting RAW is like saving a digital negative. You're not locking yourself into a single look or lighting decision. You're preserving all the ingredients so you can adjust, refine, or completely reinvent the image later with zero loss of quality. Think of it this way. JPEGs are like snapshots sealed in time. RAW files are like a sketchbook, full of possibilities. It's not necessarily about choosing perfection straight to the camera, it's about protecting your creative freedom. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. If you want to take full control of your camera, watch my video, 5 reasons for shooting in manual mode, link below. Thanks for watching, catch you soon.